In this short video, we'd like to tell you about the National Neonatal Research Database, or NNRD in short. Meet Mona and her partner David. Their baby Indy was born 12 weeks early. Indy is in the neonatal unit, receiving the extra care she needs.
I feel so helpless seeing Indy so small. I just want to be able to take her home. I wish I could do something to help Indy and all other babies here.
While Indy receives care in the neonatal unit, doctors and nurses enter information about her and her treatments onto her electronic patient record. These notes are linked to a large database called the National Neonatal Research Database, or NNRD in short. Mona is given a leaflet about the NNRD.
I'd like to tell you about the NNRD.
The NNRD holds information from a baby's medical records about, for example, how early they were born, their weight and sex if they were ill, and what treatments they received. Babies' names are not recorded, which means that those who have access to the data will not know the identities of the babies. The NNRD is fully approved by UK regulatory authorities.
How is all this information about babies in the NNRD used?
The NNRD is used to improve the care of newborn babies and their families in many ways. The information in the NNRD is used for research studies to find out which treatment works best, in audits that measure how well neonatal units are practicing and to support legislative change. For example, information from the NNRD helped change the law so that parents of babies in neonatal care can now get up to 12 extra weeks of paid leave.
But what if we don't want our baby's information in NNRD?
That's absolutely fine. If you don't want your baby's data included in the NNRD, just let me or one of the other doctors or nurses know.
All babies admitted to NHS neonatal units are included in the NNRD, unless parents choose to opt out. Including all babies in the NNRD means that the information is a fair representation of the diversity of babies that require extra care. Less than 3 in 1,000 parents choose not to have their baby's information in the NNRD.
I think we're both happy for Indy's data to be in the NNRD. We understand the information is used to help improve the care babies receive.
You can find out more about the NNRD and the ways in which it is used to help improve the care of sick and preterm babies here. The NNRD is supported by Bliss, the charity for babies who are born preterm or sick. We'd like to thank Alima, Louise and Rafika, parents of babies born either preterm or sick, for helping make this video.